My name is Micah, and I am an expert in all things ozone. I've been working with it approximately for about 12 years now. And what I'm showing you today is the different ozonated oils that we have, what are the different strengths, what are the different purposes, and how can these be applied. So you're going to notice that there are 3 different ozonated oils here that all look very similar, but there's actually a very big difference between them. The difference being the strength, or the peroxide value. We use a measure of peroxide value because it's the most accurate measurement that you can do for ozonated oil. It's a true measurement of the peroxides in the oil, which is the compound that's created when you infuse ozone gas into oil. Over here we have Sensitive Skin and Beauty, which has a 600 peroxide value. Over here we have All Purpose, which is an 800 peroxide value. And we have Extra Strength, which is a 1200 peroxide value. So before I get into each one a little bit, I just want to tell you about our production process because it's important. So we use an ultra pure cold production process that is patented. The reason that we use this process is because it prevents the formation of aldehydes, including formaldehyde. So if you ozonate your oil to a paste-like consistency, that it's not so much liquid and doesn't retain kind of the original type consistency of the olive oil, that is indicative that there was too much heat in the process. Even a little bit of heat can do this, and that it has formaldehyde or various aldehydes in it. So we have third-party testing to ensure the purity and the strength of our ozone oils, and we use that cold production process as a way to stabilize these and make sure that they're good. These are good for 3 years at room temperature, so they last a long time. Additionally, you don't need to apply much. Just a few drops is usually very reasonable for the affected area or for beauty care. So for the Sensitive Skin and Beauty, this is for people with sensitive skin or just using it for general beauty needs. All you have to do is apply a few drops onto the face nightly before bed, and that is the best way to use the Sensitive Skin and Beauty oil. The all-purpose is really just all-purpose. So this is what we use around home, among the kids, my wife, etc., for all the things that pop up that might need ozone oil. And this is a really good just all-purpose strength. So this has a peroxide value of 800. All you need to do is apply a few drops into the affected area and just rub it in if possible. With the Extra Strength, that is for people who have more of a need for a stronger ozone oil. So if there is an affection not an infection, but an affected area that you really want to address, you can put this onto the skin, rub it into the area, and it has that extra strength, which is going to boost the result that you're looking for. So these are pretty straightforward. I mean, you just apply it to the area that you want, only need a couple of drops. They last a long time. And if you want to get these ozonated oils, you can go to www.simplyo3.com. Thanks so much.